Samantala sa kaugnay pa ring balita, 6 na buwang tax holiday sa mga negosyante sa Tacloban City higit na makakatulong para sa mga negosyante at mga negosyante pa rin sa Tacloban City. Kinilala ang tulong ng pamahalaan at sariling pagsisikap para makaahon. Nagbabalik ang aming kasamang si George Bandola.
Patuloy na pinapalakas ngayon ang pagbibigay ng dagdag suporta para sa mga negosyante mula sa mga pulisiyang makakatulong sa mga ito. Matapos ang bagyo, agad na nagbigay ng 6 na buwang tax holiday ang Tacloban City para sa mga negosyante.
You have no choice. Anong ikokolekta mo sila kung hindi sila magbubukas? Our job in the government is to be partners with the business sector. Our priority really is to have them reopen their businesses. But we're thankful with that. By this time in October end, yung supposedly business establishments namin in 2013 is only 8,300 plus. By October end, we already have 8,700 plus. 7,700 renewal of business permit, 1,000 new business establishment. I think that's a testament to the legislation that we passed to allow the incentives for 6 months.
Isang taon matapos ang pananalasa, isang pinakamalaking leksyon ang natutunan sa aspeto ng pamamahala at pagbibigay ng serbisyo sa mga nangangailangan.
It's always a partnership. It doesn't mean that, yes, we have to be self-reliant and not to depend only on foreign aid and on the national government. But it doesn't mean also that the national government has not helped us. The DOLE, the DSWD, the NHA, the DepEd, DPWH, all the line agencies naman, in fairness to them, have helped us. Kailangan ngayon is tulong-tulong tayo. Sama-sama tayo. That's the only road to recovery that I can see. If we help each other between the INGOs, the NGOs, the national government, and the local government unit. The local naman, we know, lahat naman ito may katapusan. So after 1 year, slowly, aid will trickle. It will not pour in anymore. So we have to prepare ourselves to be self-reliant. And in this way, it's the wise use and to maximize our limited resources.
Bukod sa sariling pagsisikap na makaahon, tiniyak na negosyanteng si Edwin Manyas na magpapatuloy ang magandang ekonomiya sa Tacloban.